see, after opening Photoshop window, we get this interface. You can see the interface of my computer is little bit different from your book, because I have Photoshop Adobe Photoshop 7 version, but in your syllabus it is Adobe Photoshop CA6. So the version is different, that's why you are getting a different interface here, but functions are more or less same. Now see the left side box, this is called the toolbox, and different tools are there. Now first, how we can insert how we can create a new Photoshop window. For that file you have to click on new option, then you will get this one dialog box, and here you can give your choiceable name here, suppose ABC, and then you can fix width and height, and also you can content of first layer, white background color and transparent, which type of window you want, white color window or some background color or transparent window, that you can fix from here. Then you will click on the OK button, then this we get, it's very small. If you are feeling it's very small, again you can go to new option, and then you can change this pixel. In place of 145 I'm giving here 200, and here I'm giving 300. You can drag and change the size of the window also. Now how you can insert picture, file, place, and from your computer you know where you have the picture. Suppose I want to insert this picture, open, see the part of the picture has been inserted here. Now this is the selection tool, and in the latest version there are lots of selection tool. Here only mark you tool is there, and this is square mark you tool, and in your book you will get elliptical mark you tool, and you can get single row, single column, like different types of mark you tool. But main function of the mark you tool is selection. Click if I want to get some square part, if I want to select some square part of the image, then suppose I want to select this part, so this part has been selected. You can cut, copy this thing and paste in your new document also, and if you want to cancel you just press only Ctrl Z. Next selection tool is lasso tool. This is lasso tool. Click for irregular selection. Suppose I want to cut this flower, so just draw outline of this flower. I'm doing it in my one hand, that's why it's may not perfect. Now this is selected, right click on it, copy this portion, and you can open a new Photoshop document, suppose this one, and here you can paste. Now see, only the flower has been pasted here. So this is the function of the lasso tool. Now other than this tool, you have this magic wand tool. It selects the same color portion in the image, and crop tool is also there. crop tool you already know. When we want to cut the unnecessary part of the image, then we use this crop tool.